I'm sure many of you have heard the painful cry of young women in Afghanistan, saying, by very born women, even animals have freedom to go where they want to go. Why can't we walk on the road freely? Why can't we drive freely? Why can't we talk with a stranger freely? Why can't we get educated? Why can't we shine? It is a calamity to a nation if half its population is going to be oppressed. How can your children be wise if their mothers are frustrated, uneducated, and miserable? Tears of so many women wetting the earth can only mean disaster to that country. These are karmic laws you can't escape. Families, nations, and cultures are proof to this law. Humanity, irrespective of religion or culture, has to wake up to honor and respect women. A woman is a force of nature. She's like the earth. She births, she nurtures, she inspires. And you cannot crush her.